Okay, so what if I told you that one of the biggest secrets to a longer life could be unlocked in just 2 minutes a day? Seriously, no expensive gym, no fancy gear. You just need something you've probably already got lying around the house. Let's dive into this because honestly, it's a fascinating technique that's been hiding right under our noses. But first, let me ask you something. It's a question that neuroscientists love to puzzle over. What single activity, out of everything you could possibly do, lights up more parts of your brain than anything else? Just think about it for a sec. You might guess something like solving a crazy math problem or maybe playing a musical instrument, but the answer, well, it's going to surprise you. And that's the whole point, right? The answer isn't some complicated, out of reach thing. It's actually incredibly simple, totally accessible, and it's based on a practice that's been around for, well, a very long time. It's one of those secrets that's been waiting for us all along.
All right, it's time to pull back the curtain. Let's talk about what this unique and surprisingly powerful technique actually is.
So, here it is. It's called the Japanese towel twist, or if you want to be traditional, Tenugui Hibiki. A tenugi is basically a classic Japanese hand towel, and that's all you need. Just a regular household towel. This means anyone, literally anyone, can do it anytime, anywhere. And this is the best part. The time it takes? Just 2 minutes a day. That's it. 120 seconds. I know, it almost sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? So, let's get into the science of how this simple little twist can have such a huge impact. So, how in the world can twisting a towel for 2 minutes do, well, anything significant? The answer is buried deep inside our own biology. Specifically, it's all about our muscles. The engine driving this whole thing is something called an isometric contraction. You've definitely done this before. It's when you tense up a muscle, but you don't actually move or change its length. You know, like if you push against a wall with all your might. The wall doesn't budge, your arm stays put, but you can feel your muscles firing like crazy. Yep, that's an isometric contraction. And this leads to such a cool way of thinking about your body. Just imagine your muscles as your own personal built-in pharmacy. When you activate them in just the right way, they do more than just help you move things. They actually produce and release these incredible compounds that can heal and protect your entire body. So what exactly are these mystery compounds? They're called myokines. Some scientists even call them hope molecules, which is amazing. They're basically these powerful little proteins that your muscles release when they contract. And once they're out, they travel all over your body, acting like tiny firefighters, putting out the chronic low-grade inflammation that's linked to so many diseases of aging. So it's really just a beautiful, simple chain reaction. Look, you do the towel twist. That makes your muscles contract isometrically. That contraction is the signal for your muscles to release all those amazing myokines into your system. And once they're floating around, bam, a whole bunch of health benefits get unlocked.
Okay, so what's the big payoff here? What's the end game for this super simple habit? We're not just talking about feeling a bit better day to day. We are talking about a real, tangible boost to your overall health. And yeah, maybe even how long you live. The research on myokines is pretty clear. Getting more of them has some huge benefits. For one, it improves your insulin sensitivity, which is absolutely crucial for keeping your blood sugar in check. They also boost your brain health, which could help protect you against cognitive decline later on. And like we said, they fight that chronic inflammation all over your body, which is a root cause of so many health problems today. And when you add all that up, you get to this, a truly mind-blowing possibility. Some studies suggest that consistently doing this one simple habit for just 2 minutes could add up to 7 years to your health span. We're talking about the years you live in good health. 7 years. That is the kind of power that's just sitting there, locked inside your muscles, just waiting for you to unleash it. And really, this just shows you the core lesson, right? It's not always about these punishing, hours-long workouts. So often, it's about consistency. It's about a small, almost ridiculously easy action that when you do it every day can compound over time into a massive, life-changing reward. So that's what we'll leave you with. A simple towel, 2 minutes of your time, and this incredible pharmacy you have built right into your own body. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Could the simplest, most powerful secret to a longer, healthier life already be sitting there in your home, just waiting for you to pick it up?